Everyone else is saying half a day, but I want to be like Pastor Greg Mitchell and say, let's have the whole day. Just like everyone else, I don't know where to start. But to make it short and very quick and easy for everyone, it was the best experience that, excuse me, anyone could ever ask for. Sometimes you feel discouraged, you feel powerless, hopeless. You look around, very few people in this church. But when you're out there, when I heard that we're gonna launch out our first church, not only was I happy, but the whole mother church, the whole Guam was happy for us. And it really shows that we're part of something really big, bigger than our big fat Satolis heads. Yes, and one of the things that I caught was how willing everyone was. When I went there, first thing I noticed is ministry. It didn't have age. You have young kids all the way to those who are limping and they're in ministry. It really shows that you don't have to be very perfect. You don't have to come from the best background. You just have to have a heart that's willing to serve God. And that is more than enough. Another thing that I caught was just at the right time, I had many unanswered questions. One of my prayers was, Lord, speak to me, give me a word during this conference. But the pastor doesn't have to be the one to speak to you. It's amazing how when we sit in the midst of the congregation, God sends the right person to sit down and tell you exactly what God did in their life that you're currently going through. I thought, this is it, maybe nothing greater can, happen after this. But one of the couples that was really a great blessing to my life was the common couples. It's like my pastor sat down and gossiped with them or what. They knew everything about us. And when I asked them, how are you able to relate to us? And they said, we can feel your spirit. We can see what you're going through. And not only that, they went through the same thing. And I began to ask, and I had the privilege to be surrounded by pastors' wives. Everyone is fangirling over Britney Spears, but I was fangirling over the pastors' wives. And sometimes you sit there and you just... It was a great time. And to sum it all up, I owe it all to you, to my pastor. If it weren't for your investments, I would have never experienced something like that. If you didn't give, if you refused to uphold your role in this church, my family and I would have never made it. I would have never gotten to see this blessing of what it truly means to be serving God. And if you're out there, you're thinking you will never make it, that's a lie from the pit of hell. Work, save up, and go to conference.